Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to review the Tombow Fudenosuke color brush pens set. These brush pens come in 10 colors, including the original black Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. They have a vibrant water-based pigment, perfect for planning, lettering, illustrations, manga, and many more creative endeavors. One of my favorite things about these brush pens is the ink flow. It's perfect to have vibrant colors, but they don't bleed through most papers, which is very important in the planner and also task journal community. I want to point out that the lettering portion of this video will be sped up 5 times. One of the most important things when lettering is patience and going really slow. Lettering really slow is the key to creating great, straight, and thin upstrokes. I'm using a Rhodia pad to letter. It's very important to use a paper with a smooth surface. If you need more information about papers, go to the Tombow USA website, tombowusa.com, for recommendations. The retail price for individual Tombow Fudenosuke color brush pens is $3.49, but when you buy them in the Tombow Fudenosuke color brush pen set, you can get them for $2.60 each, and even less when you hit a really good Tombow USA sale. If you want to be on the lookout for these sales, make sure you subscribe to their emails or follow Tombow USA on social media. And for the actual review, here are a few reasons why I love the Tombow Fudenosuke color brush pen set. First one is they are just plain fun. Lettering can be a little bit hard and even disheartening sometimes. You need lots of practice with your pressure and strokes, but sometimes having a little fun pop of color could make this process a whole lot easier, and it's been scientifically proven that some colors can actually help with your memory and concentration. Once you have your pressure and strokes down, it's awesome to add color to your composition. You can even start blending these brush pens with the Tombow dual brush pens. I love the fact that you can mix and match Tombow products. Number 2, they are easy to use. The size is closer to the size that you normally write, so it can be used on planners, notebooks, and any notes you may need, even grocery shopping notes. It's important to keep practicing, so doing something as simple as lettering your grocery shopping list can help you out. Also, the hard tip helps you keep your upstrokes really thin and straight. The Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip is often recommended for beginners, but even the most advanced lettering artists loves it. Number 3, they are versatile. They are perfect for so many projects, and you don't need one set for each activity. You can use the same set for lettering, illustrating, planning, etc. Using lettering in your planner is the perfect opportunity to practice. At the end of the year, you will most likely get rid of your planner, and you need to work on it often, so it's a perfect opportunity to practice your lettering. You can also use the color to color code your planner or calendar. Number 4, they are very durable. As long as you take care of them, put the cap back on as soon as you finish working with them, and you treat the tips gently using a smooth paper, they will last a really long time. Number 5, they are perfect for beginners and advanced lettering artists. These pens will grow with you as you grow as a letterer. This is one of the top 3 items that I recommend to people who want to start lettering. If you're wondering about the other 2, these are the Tombow Lettering Beginner Set and the Tombow Advanced Lettering Set. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you want to practice your lettering more, make sure you go to the Tombow website and download our lettering sheets. There you will also find tips on pressure, holding your pen, papers, and many other amazing lettering tips. Well, I hope you order your Tombow Fudenosuke color brush pen set really soon. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!